Hey, Mugono.
Just hold one hand up. Okay, and one here. Okay. One here. Okay. Okay, then take it down.
You better shut up when I'm talking, okay? Hello,
Ghanaian leader, Flight Lieutenant Jerry Rawlings.
all planters. Do you have corn? I'm talking about planters, not vegans. Let me see you by the hand. Up. Good. Now, those of you who have the corn sacks, corn supply, but you've got corn in your left hand. Jesus Christ. Okay. Now, those of you with the sacks, better watch out and feed us, okay? Now, where is he? You take over.
In the sense that what I'm trying to say is that there was a time when we saw the white man, our colonial powers, as our enemies. But I think, no, not that I think, something that is worse than an enemy is a traitor. Yes. And when we won our freedom, some of our countries were led by some of the most noble nationals, of our time. But at the same time, with the passage of time, some of them became treacherous and rather betrayed our aspirations. In effect, what I'm trying to say is that as bad as an enemy could be, I think something worse than an enemy is a traitor. We've ended up evolving in the process of trying to modernize. We've ended up being westernized to the point where, as I sit here before you, when I wanted to even name my children African names, heroic names, I'm a Catholic. The Catholic Church, or some character, back at home, said no, they cannot. They'll have to be Catholic names. I mean, those Catholic names are European names. I went through an argument with this priest, and I said, listen, I have a right to my identity. Don't take away my identity. Okay? I mean, Christianize me if you may, but don't westernize me. There were times, my wife and I is a great graphic artist. We made some beautiful Christmas cards that depicted Christmas in an African setting. And in the sense that what I'm trying to say is that There was a time when we saw the white man, our colonial powers, as our enemies. But I think, no, not that I think, there's something that is worse than an enemy is a traitor. Yes. And when we won our freedom, some of our countries were led by some of the most noble nationalists, of our time. But at the same time, with the passage of time, some of them became treacherous and rather betrayed our aspirations. In effect, what I'm trying to say is that as bad as an enemy can be, I think something worse than an enemy is a traitor. We've ended up evolving in the process of trying to modernize. We've ended up being westernized to the point where, as I sit here before you, when I wanted to even name my children African names, heroic names, I'm a Catholic. The Catholic Church, or that character, back at home, said, no, I cannot. They'll have to be Catholic names. I mean, those Catholic names are European names. I went through an argument with this priest, and I said, listen, I have a right to my identity. Don't take away my identity. Okay? I mean, Christianize me if you may, but don't westernize me. There were times, my wife and I is a great graphic artist. We made some beautiful Christmas cards that depicted Christmas in an African setting. And
Agbenuke Demagbɔ na wenye be nenu yo mele fafia nu yo mele wole moji ele jijo na ola jagbagba be na subscribe gbogomia kpo be nu je button je ma won odeji be subscribe na subscribe wala ke ma nye plomi anoka me subscription nu evele na subscribe le wo bat ezi button jila azi gaviaji gaswema na ziji notification bell z all ekpedade plus so be gbesi agbene me ko video kododa we ano YouTube achina be me ko video kododa ta akpamaya me dibe magbo na we egbe ema jagbagba ne no subscribe wala na to wa me pla ehon wewe ame pla ehon wewe plus so be wo chewa ko wo fo susu cover moji wa ko wo fe to cover moji plus so be mi ano no soro aha ta akpamaya.